Um, are you trying this case, Bubble Boy?
Huh?
Are you going to be trying this case, Bubble Boy?
Yeah.
This trial? All right. Are you trying it alone?
Nope.
Who?
Jimmy.
You got the law firm of Ham and Laird down here.
Wait, I thought it was Laird and Ham. Wait, did Jimmy? Did Jimmy just? Did Jimmy? Jimmy caused a revolution, huh? He's now first. I think the shorter name should be always first anyway on those.
I thought it was alphabetical order.
The J Jimmy is before M Mike.
I don't think.
All right. 24 CR 2400. Jorge Perez.
Yes, sir.
That is you, sir. You are here with Mr. West, your attorney, and the state's attorney. Does the defendant waive a formal reading of this indictment here? Can we proceed in summary?
We can, Your Honor.
In summary, Mr. Perez, this indictment, which was handed up in December, states that on or about October 27th, 2024, in Jefferson County, Texas, you committed the state jail felony of criminal mischief. Apparently, you damaged or destroyed car windows by smashing the windows, and it caused a loss to the owner of the property of at least $2,500 and less than $30,000. So this is a state jail felony. Do you understand what you are charged with?
Yes, sir.
If convicted, you face confinement in a state jail for any term of not less than 180 days or more than 2 years. In addition, a fine may be assessed not to exceed $10,000. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
An agreement has been reached between your lawyer and the state. You would be pleading guilty, placed on deferred or unadjudicated probation, which can be up to 5 years. You would not be found guilty so long as you follow the terms and conditions of probation, which are essentially don't commit crimes,
Yeah.
do the right thing. Can you do that?
Yes, sir.
Also, apparently you damaged a lot of property here because this says restitution is owed in the amount of $15,000 to the complainant, in this case, Chance Martin. Kind of glass, what's this here? Let's see.
Well, it was at a car lot. It was
A
their
car.
window.
Yes, it was multiple cars, Your Honor. One car.
Oh, you damaged windshields of cars. What's going on? What was going on with that? Were you drunk? Were you intoxicated?
No.
You did this intentionally?
Yeah.
You knew what you were doing?
Yes.
Do you enjoy breaking windshields?
No.
Why'd you do it? You said you
I
did
always
it.
understood just because, just so get it done.
Do you think that's the right thing?
No.
Well, here you are. You've been in jail, right?
Yes, sir.
Somebody thinks it's wrong and the grand jury indicted you. If I release you, this is what I'm worried about. You leave, take a bat and start banging everybody's windshields. Is that what you do?
No.
You
no,
enjoy
no.
doing that?
No. That's the last
Why
thing.
did you do it on that occasion?
I just went to go get it done.
That doesn't make any sense, does it?
Well, yeah, it was a call. I received a call.
By whom?
Well, just personally within myself. I was
Oh, a
rich.
thought came into your mind?
Yes, I was rich and touched.
Are you okay mentally?
Yes.
Have you ever been questioned by a psychiatrist or a psychologist? Or
no.
is this normal behavior?
No. It's not.
Do you know if you make one mistake on probation, your probation can be revoked. You can then be found guilty of this felony, which you carry with you forever.
Yes.
And then you can be sentenced up to 2 years in the state jail. Do you understand?
Yes.
Are you going to follow the rules?
Yes, I have to.
Yeah, you do. How are you going to pay $15,000 back to these people? I'm going to expect you to pay them back. Do you understand?
Yeah, yes. Sir.
Do you have a job when you get out?
No.
What do you normally do for a living? How do you exist?
I stay with my parents.
You don't have your own job? Well, how are you going to pay this money back? You can't go rob somebody. That would be illegal. But you're gonna pay $15,000 back,
Yes, yes.
or else your
Yeah,
probation will be revoked.
Yes, yes.
We were in Las Vegas, the odds would be high. They'd be long odds. When was the last time you had a job?
Well, that was 15 years ago.
15 years ago. They said, there we go. There we go. Why don't you have a job?
I can't work right now.
Why not? Are you disabled?
Yeah, I'm not able to right now. I can't. I just can't.
Why not?
It's just
I know
something
you're
I
in
do.
jail now, but when you get out of jail, why can't you go work?
I need a car first.
You need a car.
Yeah, it'll take a while to get a car.
You have to have money to get a car.
Yeah, yeah. See, I have to get a car to have money.
Anything anybody else wants to add about any other surrounding issues that we need to deal with? Anybody feel like we've got a competency issue here?
I've talked to him several times and I haven't got that from him.
Well, what do you hear? How about now?
Well, when you question him about
I
why
mean,
he
you
did
made a
it,
deal.
yes.
You made a deal. How can y'all make a deal? This is $15,000. He hadn't worked in 15 years. What's he going to do? What's realistic here?
Hoping he goes and actually gets a job now.
Finally?
He's gonna have to now.
Well, it's about time. He's 50 years old. What did you do 15 years ago? What kind of job?
I was just doing helper work. Helper work.
Well, you're going to have to work somewhere to pay this back. Do you understand?
Yes, yes. I
It's a lot of money. Okay. Are you going to live with your parents though?
Yeah, I'm gonna stay with him.
If I follow this agreement, you have no right of appeal of your case. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
How do you plead to this charge, guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
Are you pleading guilty voluntarily? That is on your own free will and because you are guilty.
Yes,
I'm going to show you what's marked as State's Exhibit 1 now. Did you sign that document voluntarily? Did
Yes,
you
yes.
understand it? Discuss it with your attorney? Or the contents true and correct? State's Exhibit 1 is tendered into evidence
Objection.
without objection admitted. Among other things, this states you were mentally competent to enter your guilty plea, which is freely and voluntarily made. You know what you've been charged with. The indictment's been read to you. You've read it. You were guilty of the crime charged and any lesser included offenses. You're giving up your rights to a jury trial and the rights to the appearance, confrontation, cross-examination of witnesses. You were totally satisfied with the representation provided by your lawyer. All true, so help you God.
yes.
State's Exhibit 1 made a part of the record for all purposes. Is it pre-sentence report? Wait.
Please, John, yes.
I'm going to follow this agreement, if nothing further, and find you, sir, are pleading guilty today voluntarily. You are mentally competent to do so. You understand and appreciate the consequences of pleading guilty. There's sufficient evidence from State's Exhibit 1 supporting your guilty plea to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. But I'm not going to find you guilty. So long as you follow the terms and conditions of probation, you will be placed on deferred or unadjudicated probation for 5 years. You must pay restitution in the amount of $15,000 to Chance Martin, who is the owner of the property that was damaged, and those are all windshields of vehicles at a car lot. It looks like he is the complainant in this case. There will be terms and conditions of probation that you must follow. If you fail to, your probation can be revoked. You can then be found guilty and sentenced up to 2 years in the state jail. And that's pretty much almost day for day. Everybody knows state jail parole rules are kind of different. Do you understand, sir, what has happened today?
Yes, sir.
You see the probation officer? That is all. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. So